As AliExpress giving lots of coupons to older solid online shoppers for every product you ordered on AliExpress, guys. Did you know that there's some coupons where you can save big every time you purchase, and more than thousands of products that you can choose for? If you're interested with that, you better check the coupon codes and the link in the video description. Like this one, guys, that I ordered on AliExpress recently. This item is fast charging 20,000 milliampere power bank with built-in lightning accurate LED light indicator that indicates the remaining power bank battery. Compatible with various Android and iOS cell phones. It's so handy, guys, that will fit your style because of its powerful and stylish design that's very easy to carry on the go. Because of its powerful and stylish design that's very easy to carry on the go, its large capacity will give you the freedom to keep your mobile devices charged for days to end, no matter where you are. The unique in this power bank is comes with 4 wired micro USB Type-C cords for charging express purposes. This power bank also impresses with its rapid charging capability, long-lasting battery life, and compact design, making it a versatile companion for various situations. Its efficiency power devices multiple times, providing a reliable energy source during travel or unexpected power outage. Additionally, its lightweight and portable nature allows it to be easily carried, fitting seamlessly into any bag or pocket. For me, the best features I'm looking into a power bank, guys, its capacity to be on safer side. You should buy this kind of items at 20,000 milliampere type, and the types of number ports likewise. It's good to have at least one Type-C port and one Type-E port with fast charging support. But this one, guys, is superb. A quality one. Most of all, its safety features. Make sure, guys, that the power bank we buy can save it from overcharging itself, as well as our phone also. But there's some best practice to follow for optimal performance and longevity of a power bank. So always keep in mind that, guys, if you're buying this kind of product. So guys, thanks for tuning in with us. Thanks for watching. Peace.